representing our Math Ail on the topic factors.
Fractal is a type of a mathematical shape which have infinity complex shape. The different fractals we have explored are fractal in snowflakes, fractal in maths, fractal in nature, and fractal in shape.
Fractal in human body. Human body have many internal organs and structures that shows fractal properties like cast of our lungs and our blood vessel. Even when heartbeat was examined, its timing showed the fractal pattern.
Before we go deep into mathematics formula, let us explain about some representations about
Fractals are
tree bones, limbs.
The main trunks of the trees is the origin point of the fractals.
Thank you for listening and being
Hey everyone, I am Palak Thakur from group number 2 and I welcome you in world-based fractals. Now I would like to call Radhika.
Hello everyone, now I would like to tell you what are fractals. Fractals are mathematical shapes that are present all around us. These are very complex, so we cannot see them from our naked eyes. The place we are standing is also an example of a fractal. Now I would like to call Shruti to tell you how the fractals are invented.
A great mathematician who was born in Warsaw, Poland, known as the father of fractals, Benoit Mandelbrot, who started this beautiful and fascinating journey of fractals.
There are four types of fractal. First, standard geometrical fractal. Second, L system fractal, and third one is vector terrains, and fourth is hearted functional system.
As we all know, fractals are a geometrical shape. We can find them everywhere around us. And when we talk about nature, we can see them through these leaves. Their branch-like structure makes them look like a fractal. Also, we find them in flowers. The petals of flowers make a shape of fractals. Fractals are also found in human psychology, in our heartbeats and DNA. Thank you.
Fractals are definite symmetric geometrical shapes that is present ubiquitin in our nature. Fractals are present in our DNA that is after sexual intercourse and transferred in their offerings. Now I would like to call Star to let you know more about it.
in the end, that's all about fractals. Hope you understand. Thank you for listening.
Hey everyone, my name is Dhruv Yadav and we are the members of group number 3. We are providing you knowledge about fractals. Who invented fractals? Benoit Mandelbrot, Polish-born French-American mathematician, universally known as the father of fractals. What are fractals? Fractals are images of dynamic systems. Geometrically, they exist in between us in familiar dimensions, like they are found in nature. We can now hear more about fractals by Toshika.
Factors are never-ending patterns. Factors are infinity complex patterns. They are self-crossing patterns. They are created by repeating the same process over and ending by feedback loop. Now, my turn.
For instance, trees, rivers, clouds, seashells, etc. Abstracts fractals, such as Mandelbrot's set can be generated by
Fractals is a paradox, amazingly simple yet infinitely complex. Unconventional, they are new but older than dirt. Unconventional 20th century mathematician Benoit Mandelbrot created the term fractals, which is derived from the Latin word fractus, which means fragmented. You can find these fragmented shapes or patterns, geometrical shapes all around the world.
With a mathematical equation and algorithm, but there are also vectors in a nature. Raj, what are algorithms?
Algorithm is a branch of number.
Now, Anuj.
Vector is type of a pattern that repeat and continue. Vector is used in our nature.
We have used our
we have made our AIL with the use of Math Ail.
Next group examples.
Everyone, we are the students of group number 4 and today we are here to delve into the fascinating world of fractals, which are mathematical structures found in nature and beyond. Now Ishan will tell you further information about fractals.
First of all, I will tell you what is fractal. A fractal is a type of very complex structures that patterns into very infinitely complex. In essence of fractals that are found in our nature are trees in the nature and also rivers, ponds, etc. Now I will call Kanak Ratoria for continuing the presentation.
For example, I will tell you for weather phenomena. Weather phenomena like cloud lighting and snowflakes shows the fractal patterns, and the chaotic beauty of the thunderstorms is adding dance to repeating patterns. We have made this AI.
Include branches of trees, animals, circulatory system, and lighting.
The initiates of the ferns, broccoli, and the branches of the blood vessels in our bodies. This shows the spectral geometry.
Art form. Now I will call Prasoon for conclusion.
The fractals are complex with as many curiosities. It is not only used in mathematically, but it is also used in our daily life. The heartbeat in the medical field, the DNA, and the planet Earth has many river networks that transform rainfall from land to the oceans. Thank you.